Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? So I have just a quick video for you guys today. I know this isn't my typical Wednesday video, but I'm doing a quick video on how to use the Blue Yeti with your DSLR camera. And just really quick, I want to give a shout out to G Flava. He actually commented on one of my videos asking if it was possible to do this, and I really didn't know, so I had to try it out, and it turns out that it works. So I just want to make a quick video showing you exactly how to do this. So right now I am recording this video with my DSLR camera. The audio that you are hearing is from a shotgun microphone that I have on top of my camera. Because once I connect it to the Blue Yeti, I want you guys to be able to hear that difference in audio quality. And just really quick, the camera that I'm using is a Nikon D5300, or the correct way to pronounce it is Nikon D5300. I'll go ahead and have links to everything that I'm using in this video down in the description below in case you want to check those out. Alright guys, so this is everything you'll need right here. Right here is the Blue Yeti. Right now you can actually get this microphone for $108 on Amazon. Once again, I'll have the link to this down in the description below. And then you're going to need a aux cable. So right here I have two aux cables. I have this one that looks a little weird. It's like flat, but basically any aux cable will work. I'm just using this one because it's a bit longer. So anyways, what you would do is you would go ahead and get your USB cable, and I'll go ahead and do this for you guys right now so you can see. So you would just go ahead and plug in your USB cable to the bottom of the microphone like you normally would. And you will have to plug the USB cable into your computer. I'm not exactly sure why, but you need to plug this into a computer or it won't work. I have tried just plugging it into like one of these iPhone charging bricks so that the microphone could get power. I thought that would be good enough, but apparently that won't work. I have a feeling it needs to get some sort of like information from the computer. There needs to be some sort of exchange of information between the microphone and the computer to make this work. So unfortunately, you will need to use a computer to do this. So I'll go ahead and just plug this into the back of my computer. And then the next thing I'm going to do is plug one end of my aux cable into the headphone jack on the bottom of the microphone. And then the other end, I'm going to plug into the mic input on my camera. Alright guys, and as you can see now the audio is coming through the Blue Yeti and it's being recorded with the video straight onto my DSLR camera, so you won't have to mess around with syncing up your audio with your video file in post. So it can save you a bit of time. And one thing you just want to make sure of is you want to look at your volume levels on your DSLR camera. Like right there I just peaked a little bit, so I'm going to turn my headphone volume down a little bit. So the headphone volume knob right here, you can adjust that to just make sure that you're not peaking, your volume levels are not peaking. So yeah, that's how you connect your Blue Yeti to your DSLR camera. And this actually should work with not just the Blue Yeti, but with all USB microphones that have a headphone jack on the microphone. For example, I have this is the Maono AU-PM401 right here, and I've tested this out with this microphone also, and this also works. The only thing that you need to keep in mind with the PM401 is that this microphone does not have any volume knobs on the microphone. So if you do want to adjust your input volume to the camera, you actually have to go into your camera setting and lower the mic input volume. So just keep that in mind, but if you do want to go with a microphone like this, it's quite a bit less expensive than the Blue Yeti. This microphone is going for around $50 right now, so I'll go ahead and have a link for this microphone down in the description as well. But yeah, it also comes with like a boom arm stand and everything. It's actually a pretty good microphone. Let me just go ahead and demonstrate that for you guys as well. Okay guys, so I just want to show you really quick how to change the microphone sensitivity on a DSLR camera. Just in case you are using a microphone like the PM401, which does not have any volume controls on the microphone. So what you would do, and this is, for a Nikon camera, what you would do is you would hit the menu button right here, and then you would go to this camera icon and click over to the right, go to movie settings, and then I had my sensitivity at 7, but that was a little bit too sensitive for the PM401, it was peaking way too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change that to 2. And let's just test that out really quick. Check, check. Oh, still a little, wait, let me see. Check, check, hello, 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 hello. Okay, that's perfect. So we're good. I'm gonna hit OK. You could do the auto sensitivity if you want to try that. I haven't had the best luck with the auto sensitivity setting personally, but if you want to try that out, you know, you definitely could. Yeah, and just hit menu, get out of there, and you're good to go. And of course, I went ahead and plugged the USB cable into the back of my computer. Check, check, check. All right, guys, my volume levels are looking good. We are not in the red. That's definitely something that you want to watch out for. Make sure you're looking at the screen of your camera. Make sure you're not in the red. And this is how the PM401 sounds on my Nikon D5300. And yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Pretty straightforward. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. If you did like this video, or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notifications button. I typically upload new microphone reviews every Monday, so it is a little unusual that I am uploading this video on a Wednesday. But yeah, microphone videos every Monday. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.